Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kanpal and I welcome you all to yet another lecture on Java using NetBeans IDE. So in the previous lecture we calculated the power of a fraction number, but the power raised to was an integer. In this lecture we will talk about the fractional power of a fractional number. So before we begin, I would like to ask all my new viewers to please subscribe to my channel, to please like my video on YouTube, to please comment and share, and also press the bell icon for notification. So let's begin directly. But before that, I would like to tell you one thing, that x to the power y can be represented as e to the power y ln of x, where ln is equal to the natural logarithm which is calculated internally by the CPU. So we will use that property to calculate a to the power b, where a and b both are fractions. So e to the power x would be calculated using the Taylor-Maclaurin series. So let us first calculate e to the power x using the Taylor-Maclaurin series. E to the power x is equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x4 by 4 factorial, and so let us calculate e to the power x first. We create a function. I have created a method signature. Int iteration should be the parameter. So int iteration is what we have passed. Now we have already used the formula of Taylor-Maclaurin series in calculate e function in the previous lecture. So let's copy paste the same code to calculate e to the power of x and make the changes we require. So here it would be equal to pow function of x to the power I, where x is passed on here. So we have passed the x. Now we have calculated the e to the power x. Let's test the e to the power x first. I have calculated e to the power 0. It is coming out to be 1. Let's calculate e to the power 1. It's coming out to be 2.718. Let's calculate e to the power 3. It's coming out to be this. Let's calculate e to the power minus 2. It's coming this. So I have calculated e to the power 2. Now e to the power x is being calculated where the power of e is in fraction. Now we will use this thing to calculate a to the power b using the formula, or x to the power y using the formula x to the power y is equals to e to the power y ln of x. Here ln of x is calculated internally by the computer. So let's create the function for power of the fractional number now. Let's copy this function as it is for signature, and we just convert this into double y. Now we know the formula is return e to the power of x. Just wait. First parameter is the iteration, so 23, and the second step would be y into mat dot ln of x, log of x. Now this would be divided by mat dot log of e, because this is the logarithmic property to calculate the logarithm. Now we have calculated the power of a number. Now let's check this out. Property mat dot ln of x, or ln of x is equal to log of x divided by log of e, which would be equal to log base e, or log x base e. So just converted y ln x here and calculated up to 23 iterations. Now we calculate the power 2.14 to the power 2.14. It's coming to be 5.0943. Let's use the internal function, the inbuilt function of Java, and verify our answer. So our answer verifies to be same. So we are correct. There might be a chances of some error, like the last digit is 1 in the library case and 2 in our case, because we might have round off and it might have truncated the answer. The library might have truncated the answer, but this is how we calculate the power of a number in double fraction. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Bye bye.